Drywall. Two words combined. Dry derives from the Old English drige, meaning free from moisture. Wall derives from the Old English well, meaning a structure built to enclose, support, or divide. Together, drywall describes a building material that revolutionized the way we finish interiors, a dry method of building walls that replaced the slow, labor-intensive process of wet plaster. Drywall entered the scene in the early 20th century as a faster, cleaner, and more affordable alternative. It's made from gypsum, a naturally fire-resistant mineral, sandwiched between two layers of heavy-duty paper. This gave rise to the term gypsum board. Then came Sheetrock, the now famous brand name coined by the United States Gypsum Corporation, which became so widely used that it's often synonymous with drywall, even today. Whether you're remodeling, building new, or repairing existing drywall, it marks the moment when your project moves from concept to reality. It covers the framing, conceals wiring and insulation, and becomes the blank canvas for texture, paint, accent walls, millwork, and design. This is the stage in nearly every construction process when you know the project is on track toward completion. As a general contractor, I always say, once the drywall goes up, the rooms start talking. You can see the layout, feel the space, and watch the design come together. That room that was once open is now defined. It may seem basic, but drywall is essential. It's not just a wall, it's the surface your home is built around. Construction word with WordSmith.